Opening a box of O-Pee-Chee Platinum Hockey. Big time product. Look for hard sign autograph cards. I'm pretty sure it's one per box. Brad Gelly at the inside of the Channel 7 Sports Department here. 12 cards per pack. 12 packs per box. Connor Bedard, the big prize in here. Everyone's looking for that one of one. But always, honestly, just one of Upper Deck's best products. And they are catching up. 2023-24 products on shelves as the 2024-25 season's heating up. But this is the hard sign stuff that we're all looking for. So inside every pack, you're getting about 3 marquee rookies. That's what we're looking at right there. Lucas Condata, Tyson Forster, Juna Kapanen. 3 marquee rookies. Nice insert here, photo-driven. Timo Meier. Look at this, rainbow refractor. Arturi Lehkonen. Dylan Strome, sunset refractor. And then a bunch of base. Have you cracked any yet? Let me know in the comments if you've opened any. Any of this O-Pee-Chee Chrome so far. Show you the 2 marquee rookies off the top. Matt Tompkins, Stanislav Svozil. O-Pee-Chee Platinum Showmanship. Few of these per box. Ilya Sorokin. Braden Point, rainbow refractor. Here's a Thomas Novak, matte pink refractor. Dougie Hamilton, we got a numbered Violet Pixels out of $2.99. First numbered card in there, Violet Pixels, Dougie Hamilton. Crack it open an O-Pee-Chee Platinum. Box of cards here. On video with you inside the Channel 7 Sports Department. Jack Hughes, friend of the program. Trained this offseason in Plymouth. Comes home to Michigan each and every summer. Jake Sanderson, another NTDP kid. 3 marquee rookies right off the bat in this one. Tyler Clevin, Vincent Orio, Luke Evangelista. Photo-driven Matty Beniers, NTDP, University of Michigan product. Hardy, Haman, Octal, rainbow refractor, marquee rookie. Jacob Pelletier, sunset marquee rookie refractor. 3 packs in. No Red Wings cards yet. Let's see if that can change. Let's see if that can change. Crack and open O-Pee-Chee Platinum. Oh, we got a Connor Bedard. Connor Bedard, marquee rookies, base O-Pee-Chee Platinum rookie card. That's fun. Luke Hughes, Sweet Selections, insert, rookie. Henry Thrun, rainbow refractor. Lucas Reichel, sunset refractor. We got a Bedard. We got a Bedard marquee rookie. It's a base marquee rookie, but it is chrome. Leo Carlson, Hardy, Juan, Octal, and Henry Thrun. Marquee rookies. Photo-driven. Matthew Tkachuk, the Stanley Cup champ. Steven Stamkos, rainbow. Matthew Barzal, matte pink. Here's our first Red Wings card, Mo Seider. Crack and open O-Pee-Chee Platinum. Let me know if you've opened any. Who pulled the cool autograph so far? 3 more rookies. Igor Afanaseyev, Isaac Rosen, Tristan Robbins, and another Connor Bedard. Sweet Selections. Base. 2 Connor Bedards in here. Brock Nelson, rainbow retro. Dawson Mercer, rainbow. 3 more base. We got 6 packs left here, halfway through the box. Let's see if that includes a low-numbered on-card autograph. I'm going to skip through some of the base rookies here at this point. Brent Burns, photo-driven. Ellers, rainbow. Oh, just retro, sorry. Hunter McCown, liquid metal out of $3.99. Marquee rookies. Nice numbered rookie. 2 numbered cards so far. Should get 1 lower numbered. A 1 of 1. That'd be great. Got some blue popping here. I will show you the marquee rookies because Elliot Desnoyers, Martin Pupsel, Cole Gutman, and a showmanship Jacob Marstrom with the Devils now. Brock Nelson. Here's a Dylan Strome. All right, what do we have? Blue fragment out of 125. I have watched some box breaks. This might be our lowest numbered card unless we hit something really nice in these last 4 packs. Let's see if we can do it. Our autograph's still to come on these last 4 packs. Uh-oh. Owen Beck, O-Pee-Chee Premier Red. Interesting. Brock Faber. That is nice. Igor Shesterkin. Devin Levi. There's our autograph, and it is a Pixels. Violet Pixels out of 99. Devin Levi. On-card autograph. There we go. All right. Autograph out of 99, and it's a nice one. All right, then let's crack through here. Aiden McDonough. Photo-driven Austin Matthews. Eric Carlson. Retro. Evgeny Kuznetsov. Bunch of numbered cards in here on $3.99. Oh, Red Wings fans, check that out. Patrick Kane, O-Pee-Chee Premier, O-Pee-Chee Platinum. That's nice. That's a good one. That's a keeper. Shout out to all your local shops. There's a Marco Casper, Red Wings rookie. We're always shouting out Rochester Sports Cards, Memorabilia, and Gaming. My buddy Steve over there does a great job. Yaroslav Oskarov. Sharks. Tyler Radish. Here's a Vincent Oreo. Cosmic out of 65. Heck of a box. Okay. Bunch of numbered good stuff. O-Pee-Chee Platinum come through one time. Fire up. Get another numbered in here. Yuri Slavens. Oh, former #1 pick. Yuri Slavakovsky out of 299. That's a nice box. That is a nice box. Why am I saying like Jerry Seinfeld? All right, out of 299, Violet Pixels. Cosmic out of 65. Kuznetsov out of 399, Liquid Metal. Dylan Strome out of 125, Blue Fragment. Liquid Metal Marquee Rookie, Hunter McCown out of 399. Dougie Hamilton, Violet Pixels out of 299. Our autographed Devin Levi out of 99, Violet Pixels. And then 2 Connor Bedard's Marquee Rookie Base, Sweet Selections Base. I appreciate everybody watching. We'll see you soon out there.